Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Friday, September 26th. This is how I made. Wait, I need to do the calculation. 259 times 11. $2,849. Day trading the NASDAQ today. So, coming to market open. Actually, no, we're gonna do a pre market review. So, I'm gonna label out the market open, but so in the hourly, I wasn't too keen on taking anything. Uh, we have our London high and low, so we already swept the London high. Uh, I was looking at possibly previous day, or previous session high and low, or not high and low, just highs. So the yesterday's London highs and lows. Um, but I wanted a liquidity sweep before coming there because I knew, yeah, we were already going up and we already took out all this previous day stuff. I'm like, oh, we could just push up, but so if we just push up, I would have looked to be bearish. But at 9:30 open, as you can see, we push down. We create this bearish SMT. So ES created a higher here, while NQ created lower. So NQ is weaker here. I'll explain why that's important later. But I'm just gonna take this off real quick. Hold up. So we push down, and then we come into like some PD right here. Then we come up. We market structure shift right here, and on the 5 minute, and then if we drop into the 1 minute, I was looking at this first presented fair value gap turned inverse to the upside. We tapped the CE of that, and I targeted for this basically 1 to 1. Uh, I was originally gonna take it off here, but then I was like, oh, what if we want to go up here? But I'll explain why I didn't target this, and I decided to. I targeted here, and then it came. Wait, no, I'm tripping. It's here. It's like this. Yeah, it's like this. Okay. So we broke the high, and then we came down here. We broke the high, came down here. I entered here, and we broke this internal high. I was gonna TP here originally, but then I'm like, oh, what if we use this bullish fair value gap to push all the way up into possibly previous session highs, but also this swing high. But the reason I took it off uh, after this high was because on ES, I'm gonna drop into my ES chart. ES, uh, here's the S&T I was talking about. So this is the stronger indice. So when I see us taking out previous session highs, we also have this daily wick right here. But most importantly, how I was targeting previous session highs, uh, right here, previous day session highs, we already hit this London high where we didn't on NQ, and we're coming into this daily wick. We tap into the 75% right here, and we push off of it. I'm like, okay, that's where I'm TPing because this is the stronger, the leading indice right now. So I'm like, okay, if we show bearish here, we're obviously gonna go bearish on NQ, which is exactly what happened. As you can see, right after I TP, we pushed down, uh, into those London lows I was talking about. We come and use this as a reaper, break below it, coming back into the first presented fair value gap, and push below this right here. So yeah, here is the statements on my PNL. 259 across 11 accounts. I risked less because I kind of calculated my risk wrong. I calculated for 60 handles and it was only 55. 60 handles with 3 contracts was too much. It was like risking 360. I wanted to risk close to 300. So I only did 2. But it's 55, so I could have done 3, but it's chill. Yeah, let's log this real quick. Uh, and then yeah, that'll end off the video. Okay, hopping into the software. If you guys don't know about this and you're new, link is in the bio for the Discord. So what I'm gonna do is start by writing some important stuff. So my P&L for the day was 259 on each account. So I'm just gonna write 259. It's on NQ. We used 2022 ICT model. We've looked for a higher time frame liquidity sweep. It's got that 5-minute market structure shift and then a 1-minute entry. Time in was at 9:45. 9:45. Well, it's 6:45 because I've traded on PST. 9:45, and then time out was um 10 o'clock. So 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay, and let's take a picture of uh the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Okay, cool. Come in here, drag those photos in here. Okay, so what was my plan? Pre-trade analysis was bullish to previous day session highs. Market open, we dropped, creating SMT with ES being the leading. 5-minute market structure shift plus 1 minute presented fair value gap inverse, targeting internal highs. Uh, took took profit at ES hitting daily wick slash previous session highs since it was leading. Uh, Post trade analysis executed well, managed emotions in position well. Understood when to take profit and when market would flip, and understanding market conditions. Save that day. Oh, I have to add it and then it saves. Okay, so there we go. Trade is logged. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make a backtesting video or something video in this weekend. I don't know. I'll think of this something. But yeah, if you're new, subscribe. Link in bio for this calendar that's coming out soon. The beta is coming out soon. And also just our community. Uh, if you're new, subscribe. I think I already said that. If you like the video, drop a like. Comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I'll catch y'all Saturday or Sunday.